Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I made a video on how to change your background on your Xbox One, and in that video I did it by using a USB, which I thought was the only way you could do it, but then I realized there's a way that you can do it which is built into the Xbox itself, and it's very simple. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get straight to it. So first, you just want to go to your games and apps. Once you're there, just go to your apps and then go to any internet browser of your choice. It's usually Microsoft Edge that's pre-installed, so I'm just going to go there. And then I'm going to search the web for Google, but you can use Bing if you prefer. I just prefer Google because for me it has better results. And then you just want to search for the whatever picture background you want right over there. And then just click on the image you want by going to images or just clicking it right there as I did. And now once you're on this image, all you need to do is click the button with the 3 lines or the options button and go down to save picture as. Then it's going to take you to this device pictures, and all you want to do is click save, and we can access this later in the video. So once it's saved, you just need to press the home button, go down to my games and apps. Once you're there, you need to go down to apps and then go to file explorer. It looks like the file in a PC. Then, as you can see, it's already there, but if you want to find it, it's in device and pictures, because that's a folder where it automatically saves it to. So you just open it there, and if you try to open it, it says that you need an app to open it, but you don't need to. All you need to do is press the options button again and click on set as background. Now if you go to your home screen, that image that you just downloaded from the internet is now your Xbox background. So this is a very simple and straightforward method that's built into the Xbox that you can use to change your background to any image you want. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and give me suggestions of anything else you want to know on the Xbox, anything you're having difficulties with, and I can help you with that in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.